It isn't only people who get big money, they invest in Apple. Because they use iPhone, Tesla, Amazon. Let me shock you. I started investing in US stocks with just 5,000 naira. In fact, my first stock, the first stock I ever bought, was a dollar stock, and today I earn in dollars. No VPN, no wahala. Let me show you how I invest in US stocks from Nigeria. Start small but steady and consistent gain. So someone will ask, why US stocks? Naira is falling every day, and inflation no dey smile, and I needed a way to grow my money in dollars. US companies like Google, Microsoft, and Apple, they have global power. Their stocks are stable and they pay. Even a $10 investment fits grow. That's why I entered, for peace of mind and dollar return. Now my own way to protect my own money. So these are tools you can use in buying US stocks, and you don't need any VPN for this. I use Trove or Bamboo. These are Nigerian friendly apps that allows you to buy US stocks from your phone at the comfort of your home, and you don't need to open any foreign bank account. You don't need to use any VPN or open or download any VPN whatsoever. Just download the app, verify your ID, fund with Naira or dollar, and you're good. Now other options are Chaka and RiceVest. All these apps are regulated and trusted. Some persons think that you need 100k or 1 million naira to invest. That one a big fat lie. I started with just $10. That's about 5,000 naira on Bamboo. Now some stocks are really expensive like Amazon, but you can buy small. That's what we call fractional shares. Now even with 2k, 3k, you can enter the game. Start small, learn the ropes, and then grow. So the first stock I ever bought was Apple. I don't use an iPhone, but I bought an Apple stock. Now, why did I buy this particular stock? It's a big company, it's a global brand, and I trust it won't crash anyhow. So I bought a $15 worth and watched how it moves. Now it gave me confidence that I can invest from Nigeria and that it works. Since then, I've added more US stocks to my portfolio. Me, I know they chase hype or follow people where they shout for social media. I get my own simple method where they work. Here's how I pick my stocks, especially as person who no gets big money to waste. Number one, I go for big run-on companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola. Companies where they see and they use every day. If the company is stable and people around the world they buy their products, and they consider them. Now, I'll check if the company makes profit, and if the profit increases at least little by little, the business is very much healthy, so I'll buy. Now, even if the profit is not growing that much, I don't want it dropping anyhow. At least steady day better now. If the company they pay dividend, that one an extra bonus. It means they collect small cash regularly. And they also check if the company don't they pay dividend for that long, at least 5 to 10 years, and whether they increase them. I know they buy any stock where I don't understand. If I know sabi wetin the company they do, I they leave them. I read more about the company. No reason I go carry textbook. Just quick Google, Google search and watch small videos online. Now I check simple chart. Is the stock price rising over time, or they go up and down anyhow? I look for companies when no get plenty wahala, like too much debt or scandal every month. I take my time, no rush, investing na marathon, no be sprint. This method they help me protect my money and still make profits small. So as a beginner, stick to simple plan, avoid fast track money, and build wealth step by step. So when I'm building my stocks portfolio, my US stock portfolio in particular, I don't just buy anyhow. I mix two type of stocks, and they work for different reasons. First, I buy growth stocks like Tesla and Nvidia. Now these ones, they really pay me cash for now, but their price they increase over time. Now if you hold growth stocks long enough, your money fit double or even triple, but it takes patience. So growth stocks are like seed where you plant. Like no harvest immediately, but you go grow big later if you wait. Second, I buy dividend stocks like Coca-Cola or Johnson and Johnson. These ones they pay me small cash like dividend every 3 months. And they call dividend stocks my dollar ATM because every 3 months they get paid. And then I reinvest my dividend. The honest truth is that I don't invest every day. I set small targets like 5,000 naira monthly, 10, could be 15, could be 20k monthly. This way, I build up my portfolio without stress. Small drops of water, they say, makes a mighty ocean, and that goes for investing. Consistency will always beat rushing. So these are the lessons I've learned so far. Number one, don't follow hype. Don't buy a stock or don't invest because a lot of persons are talking about it or it is trending. That's the wrong move. Always research, do your due diligence before you buy anything at all. Now, don't invest money you need urgently. Please don't do that. Take profit slowly. Do not expect fast riches. Stock investing is not a get rich quick scheme. It's going to make you rich, but then it's a slow process. Now, reinvest your dividends. It grows faster. And lastly, start now. There's no perfect time. Start now. So here's how I avoid scams. This one is very, very important. I only use register platforms, no shady links. I check reviews before using any app. I ignore investment opportunities on WhatsApp or Instagram. If it is not listed, not verified, I know they touch them. Protect your sweat by all means. Today, I have stocks in Apple, Google, Coca-Cola, and ETFs. I still invest 5k to 10k monthly because my goal is long term. I don't need to be Dangote today, but I want to be comfortable in 5 years, and I'm getting there slowly in dollars. I'm not auto dollar. I just started small and I stayed consistent. Even if not 2k, if you start them, just begin. Your future self will thank you later. Dollar investing is not for big men alone. It's for anyone with sense and small discipline. If you want me to show you the exact stocks I'm watching in 2025, subscribe now. Watch my next videos on 5-year stock you can start with even if you are broke.